Storm Team 8 is tracking a severe weather alert.
All right, welcome back. We're watching lines of showers and storms, and the ones that are grabbing most of our attention are the ones that are coming in off of Lake Michigan after rolling through Chicago. We saw several tornado warnings associated with this very strong wind. In fact, a roof collapsed at a concert venue, and it does not look like a good situation. So we'll continue to update you on that. And for now, we're just keeping an eye as this line gets closer to us. Arrival time closer to about 10:30 for our shore. And you can see that this is going to add to a lot of rain that's already in place. As mentioned, would not be surprised if we saw an additional 1 to 2 inches of rain accumulation. That's after a ½ an inch to an inch this morning. We still have a tornado watch ongoing for just Berrien County at this point in time. Berrien County is also the only county that is currently under a severe thunderstorm watch as that next line rolls in. Temperature is very mild. It's 55 in Grand Rapids, 57 in Holland. We've been watching all of our sky cameras, and it looks like the hail potential has gone down from earlier today. However, we're still dealing with some decent lightning. And if we look at some of the hail reports across the area, Sturgis, Hillsdale coming in close to ping pong size, if not golf ball sized hail. We also had a lot of 1-inch reports coming in this evening. Lightning, great shots. This is from Portland. So we've been getting quite a good light show. This absolutely is our first official severe weather kickoff of the season. And we've had several severe thunderstorm warnings that have been issued with the first round of storms. Now we're just watching for the secondary line. Now there are a few things that we're keeping an eye on and noticing. One of which is that it looks like most of the energy is really getting clipped down into Indiana. So South Bend South, we have active tornado warnings that have been ongoing. We also have some severe thunderstorm warnings. Again, keep in mind that Berrien County is technically included in this batch of warnings as this next line comes in off of Lake Michigan. However, we have a bit of a lull, a bit of a gap in our reflectivity, our radar. So we're going to continue to babysit it to see if it will fill in as it comes on shore. We still have conditions that are conducive for strong winds as well as even an isolated tornado in the next 2 hours or so. Now, after this line pushes through by about midnight, we switch gears completely and we start watching for the potential of gusty winds for everyone. We could see some winds gusting tonight and tomorrow near 45 miles per hour. And that's going to be wrapping down cold air by the time we get to Saturday afternoon. So Saturday morning, much cooler out. Temperatures will begin to fall. Batch of rain showers as early as 8 a.m. But check out what's on tap for the afternoon to evening. A burst of very cold air out of the northwest. And this is going to allow our temperatures to plummet even more so before we level things out a little bit for Sunday. Wind speed forecast. You can see by the time we get to around 4 a.m., we should have sustained winds near 31 miles per hour. So after the storms have passed through, even after the sky is cleared out and you can see the stars, we still have the potential for some isolated power outages across the area because this entire system is powerful enough to produce wind gusts of that magnitude. Very breezy, not quite pleasant for Saturday. Many of our temperatures on Saturday, even though technically we'll be in the upper 30s and 40s, will feel more like the 20s just because of the wind component. We have the light wintry mix that's possible. We're not expecting any snow accumulation. Sunday still a little on the breezy side, 50 degrees. And then if we continue to look at your 8-day forecast here, you can see we have some mild weather setting up for Tuesday and Wednesday. But once again, it looks like the potential for some strong to severe storms for portions of the United States. And that could once again include West Michigan. So it's been an active pattern. We're going to continue to watch it here in the tracking center both tonight and what's ahead in the next several days.